Hi children, welcome back to our online grammar classes. Dear student, I hope you all are fine and enjoying watching videos. Keep watching our videos regularly and study regularly. Dear student, today we are going to start our 14th chapter, adjectives, degrees of comparison. Okay, previous lesson, that is 13, it was also adjective, but we have learned there kinds of adjectives like adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number. We have solved exercise 2. We have practiced it very well, and I hope you understood that lesson very well. Now let's turn towards the next lesson, adjectives, degrees of comparison. Okay, so dear student, maybe you are learning this first time degree, but you know what is meant by comparison? To compare two things. Okay, with each other is known as comparison. So degrees of comparison, we use adjectives to compare two things. Okay, small, okay, big, tall. Example, the mango tree is taller than the lemon tree. Okay, so we are comparing here mango tree with lemon tree. Mango tree is taller than lemon tree. So we use this tall adjective here. Let's see what is given here in this page. Adjectives describe persons, places, animals or things. So where we use adjective? We use adjective to describe person, means people, places, animals or things. Okay, we use comparative or superlative adjectives. Means these are the forms of adjectives. Comparative adjectives, superlative adjectives. So we use comparative or superlative adjectives to compare things and people. To compare things and people with other things and people. Okay, we compare people with other people, we compare things with other things. And for comparing these people with people or things with other things, we use comparative adjectives or superlative adjectives. Understood? Just take this step by step easily. It's not too hard. Okay, if you watch carefully or listen carefully, you will get this easily. So what I told you, we use degrees of comparison to compare things, people, animal or places with each other. We use comparative adjective or superlative adjective to compare people with other people or things with other things. Okay, now let's see what picture is given here in your book. You can watch in your book or you can look at the screen too. What is here? Some sentences are there. Child 1 and child 2 are talking to each other. They are describing these things as well as they are comparing these things with each other, animals and things. So let's see about this picture what is given here. Okay. Child 1 said, the giraffe is the tallest animal in the zoo. Okay, we can see here giraffe is the tallest animal in the zoo. Means we have compared here giraffe with other animals. Okay, there is tiger, a lion and a wolf is there. We are comparing giraffe with these three animals and we used here the adjective tallest. This is superlative adjective. Okay, I will tell you further that this is the superlative form of adjective tallest. So giraffe is tallest than other animals. Okay, we are comparing here. Now see the next picture. Again giraffe and elephant is here. So it is the comparison between giraffe and elephant. Two childs are there. Child 2 said they are even taller than the elephant. Means giraffes are even taller than the elephant. As we know that elephant is big animal, but giraffe is taller than elephant too. And here this adjective is used taller. We compare here giraffe and elephant with each other, two animals, okay, and we use this adjective taller. This is the adjective of comparative adjective, okay. Then child 1 again said, but the elephants are heavier than the giraffe, means giraffe, okay. So it is correct that giraffe is taller, but elephant is heavier. Here elephants are told, means all kinds of elephants are described here. Elephants are heavier than giraffe. Okay students, here again elephant and giraffe are compared as per their weight. So elephant are heavier than giraffe. Now next picture, see. This is one bakery shop is here, okay, from where we purchase sweet or cakes. Ram said, I have a small cake. Ram said, I have a small cake. So this boy is Ram, having glasses, goggles. Ram said, I have a small cake. Now he is comparing this cake by using this adjective small. I have small cake. Means my cake is small. Now second picture, two boys are here. Ram said, my cake is smaller than his. Now Ram's cake is smaller than this another boy. Okay, so this is the comparison between two cakes. Here is only one cake, my cake is small. There is no comparison, only he is saying my cake is small. But here comparison between two cakes. Ram is comparing his cake with another boy's cake, that my cake is smaller than his. Now next picture. Now there are three boys. Ram said, my cake is the smallest amongst the three. Means my cake is the smallest in all cakes. Means these two boys have big cake, but my cake is small. So it is the adjective of superlative. Superlative adjective means comparison done with more than two people. When we compare things or people more than two, at that time we use superlative adjectives. Okay. Now what is given downside? Let's read these definitions and description about the adjectives. Dear student, you have to read these 5 times minimum, okay, and you have to rewrite this 3 times in good handwriting. If you did not understand anything, if you don't understand anything, you can call me, you can message me, okay. Adjectives change in their form, means adjectives have forms like verbs. Adjectives also have forms. Example, small, smaller, smallest. So these are the forms of adjective small. Small, smaller, smallest. To show comparison, these three forms are called degrees of comparison. So whenever we are showing comparison, so at that time these three adjective forms are known as degrees of comparison. Okay. Then the simplest form of the adjective small is called the positive degree. Means if we use any adjective as it is in any sentence, that is the simplest form of adjective. Means that is the base form of that adjective, and it is known as positive degree. It is known as positive degree. This is first sentence. I have a small cake. Now this small adjective is used in its simplest form, small. So this sentence is used here positive degree. Which degree? Positive degree. Okay, understood? Then the comparative degree shows a higher degree than the positive degree. Means in positive degree we use simplest form adjective, but comparative degree shows the higher degree than positive degree. That is, it is used to compare two people, places, animal or things. So in comparative degree we use to compare two people or two things or two animals, two places. If we are comparing two things, we are using their comparative degree. Understood? Again, we usually use than with comparative adjectives. So if we are using comparative adjectives, so we use their than. So we can see in the second picture. Now here two cakes are compared. My cake is smaller than his. Okay, means we compare here two cakes and we use here comparative form of this small, that is smaller. Again we use than here, means we read here that usually we use that with comparative degree. So with smaller we use here than. Understood? Now let's example one given here. My cake is smaller than his. So whenever we are using the second form of adjective, that is comparative adjective, so we should take than with it. Understood? Now let's see next one, the superlative degree. Superlative degree shows the highest degree of all. It is used to compare more than two people, places, animal or things. So suppose if we have to compare more things than two, that time we should use superlative degree. This is the highest degree. Okay. So it is used to compare more than two people, places, animals or things. We usually use the before the superlative adjective. So whenever we are using superlative adjective, before that superlative adjective we should use there the. Example is given here. My cake is the smallest amongst the three. Means here comparison is done between more than two cakes, means three cakes are there. So whenever we compare anything with more than two times, so that is we use here superlative degree, and with superlative adjectives before that we take the. So the smallest. Example is given here. My cake is the smallest amongst the three. To make the comparative adjectives, we usually add er to adjectives with one syllable, small, smaller. Now dear students, what is given here? If we have to make comparative adjective, means we know adjectives. Hot, cool, cold. Okay. So small, big. So we have to make their comparative form. So that time we what we do? We add er to adjectives with one syllable. Now what is mean by one syllable? Suppose I am saying any word and there is one time only vowel is there, like small. While talking, while speaking this word, while saying this word, I am using one vowel, that is a. Small. Getting this? Small. How many vowels? One. Now second one, big. Big. How many syllables are there? One syllable. B, E. Vowel 1. Big. Again, cold. How many times I am using vowel here? Only one time. That is cold. O. Understood? So this is one syllable. This type of adjectives or these words are known as one syllable words. So if there is only one syllable adjective, then we have to add er to make its comparative adjective. To make the superlative adjective, we usually add est to adjectives with one syllable, small, smallest. So same way, if any adjective is there having one syllable, and if we want to make its superlative form, at that time we have to use est. Like small, one syllable is there, small. So its superlative form is smallest. We added there est, smallest. Cold, one syllable, coldest. Understood? Hot, one syllable, hottest. Big. One syllable is there. Big. Biggest. Understood? So, dear student, this way we have explained these all degrees. Remaining whatever the part is there, examples and more adjectives we have to practice. We will continue that in our next video. Okay. I hope you understood this part very well. If not understood, you watch it again and again. Listen carefully. Again, if you have any doubt, you can call me, message me. I will explain to you. Remaining part we will continue in our next video.